Popular dancehall entertainer Popcaan pleads not guilty to alleged traffic offenses. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Thanks for joining us once more for the wonderful program we have here. And wherever you are watching this right now in the world, much love and much respect goes out to you for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV. So the dancehall entertainer Popcaan pleads not guilty to charges stemming from an incident some months ago, which involves some traffic offense. As you know, Popcaan is one of our premier dancehall figures, both on the local and international scene, and has had his fine share of run-ins with the law from time to time. So the dancehall entertainer has pleaded not guilty to charges of road traffic violation in Yalla's Traffic Court in St. Thomas on Thursday. The artist pleaded not guilty to the charges including operating an unlicensed motor vehicle, driving without insurance or fitness, no fixed registration plate, driving without a helmet, and careless driving. Popcaan, who was represented by Mattia Hyatt, will next appear in court on the 2nd of September when a trial date is expected to be set. The 32-year-old artist, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, was charged in late April after the police intercepted his 9-vehicle convoy in St. Thomas. The recording artist, who is also the promoter of the annual Unruly Fest concert, has since taken to social media to lament that he is being treated unfairly, especially by the police. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bless.